How to make money online through a simple recession-proof online business that sends ready-to-buy customers to irresistible red-hot products on autopilot. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. In this video, I will be showing you a simple online business that can generate up to $30,000 in 30 days, and it's highly recommended for people working in recession-prone industries. This could be a smart way to bulletproof yourself from the negative impact of a bad economy, a way to earn additional income so that you don't depend solely on salary and be able to survive comfortably through recession and thrive afterwards. You might have tried several ways to make money online before which did not work, or you are just a complete beginner. This simple online business will not take much of your time because it works on complete autopilot. This doesn't mean you will not do any work at all, but trust me, it's very easy to do. You only need to know how to copy and paste. That's all. This simple recession-proof online business is based on a business model called affiliate marketing. Maybe you've heard of affiliate marketing before, or you are currently an affiliate on Expert Nair, Solar, LearnOfflix, Savvy Mentors, Horse City, etc. For affiliate marketing to be profitable, you need to get a good affiliate product and promote to the right audience. Getting an affiliate product is usually not a problem. Most people struggle when it comes to generating traffic, getting sales, and knowing who the right audience is and where exactly to find them. I know quite a number of people who have spent money on Facebook ads to promote affiliate products, but all they got was just clicks. No sales after wasting hundreds of thousands on ads. The 30K copy and paste system is a completely automated and done-for-you system that gives you hot pre-approved and highly profitable products and helps you promote it to the right, ready-to-buy traffic. All you have to do is just copy and paste your affiliate link in the space you will be shown, and that's it. If you work in a recession-prone industry, you already have developed interest in affiliate marketing before, but you are not sure if you should go ahead and start this business, I recommend you start your affiliate marketing through the 30K copy and paste system. Affiliate marketing is highly profitable when done the right way, and you can earn unlimited income. The most difficult aspect of affiliate marketing is driving traffic and following up with leads. The 30K copy and paste system will do the marketing for you and follow up with leads for you. You don't need to chat with strangers or be posting on social media all day long. There are no risks associated with affiliate marketing on your side because you are not the one that created the product. You don't need heavy startup costs other than the low one-time fee of getting your license to the 30K copy and paste system. You don't need to buy domain name, hosting, autoresponder, etc. Everything is already taken care of. It doesn't take much of your time, especially if you have a 9-to-5 job. You just need like 30 minutes to set up the system, and it goes to work to make you money on complete autopilot. Students, corpers, work-at-home moms, 9-to-5 employees all can do this because it doesn't require previous marketing experience or any technical skills. All the hard work of creating the funnel has been done, and software takes care of the traffic and follows up till sales is made. It's recession-proof business and can be a source of passive income in dollars. If you are tired of struggling to make sales in affiliate marketing, struggling to get traffic, leads, etc., this is the only 3 steps you need to take to start making money online through the 30K copy and paste system. Step 1. Choose one out of the pre-approved affiliate products that people want and would like to buy. Step 2. Edit the corresponding DFY funnel by adding your affiliate link to the bonus page, follow-up emails, etc. Step 3. Switch on the free targeted traffic sources with just a click and wait for sales to start coming in. You don't need to waste time and money learning technical stuff, doing trial and error, because the 30K copy and paste system is guaranteed to give you results. Don't believe me? All you have to do is try the 30K copy and paste system for 6 months without any risk of you losing money, and if you did not get any results at all, you can request for a refund and you get your money back in full. So, you have nothing to lose by giving this a trial. Only limited number of people will be accepted to the 30K copy and paste system for a low one-time fee of $17. Please note that the slots are filling up fast. Once sold out, others might be lucky to get in at $197 per month, or the systems might even be closed forever to the public, while those lucky to get in continue to enjoy making money on autopilot. You don't want to miss out on getting your own license to this simple way to make money online and the 10 bonuses that come with it, valued at over $2,000. So go ahead and click the link in the description to this video to get in before it will be too late, and see how it will positively change